Hello, I am Sarvesh Rao, the CEO and founder of Marma Security. Thank you so much for being a customer of Marma Security. In this video, we'll see how to install your SafeHome Firewall. Okay, so I have the SafeHome Firewall here. So let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, let's take the firewall device. So this is your SafeHome Firewall. Let's put this here. Next, we have an Ethernet cable that is part of your SafeHome package. So that's item number 2. And third, we have a power adapter, which is item number 3. Okay. In addition to it, inside the box, there is a user manual in case you need to check it now or later for any changes. So let's put the user manual away. Okay. Very good. So we have these 3 items. We have the firewall, we have the Ethernet cable, and we have the power adapter. That's all we need. So step number 1, we're going to power on the Marma SafeHome Firewall. Okay, so let me connect the power, and the other end of the power cable, we will connect it to behind the Marma device. There are various ports. At the bottom, you see a connection for power. So we're going to connect the cable here. Okay, and so that's done. So that's step number 1. Okay. Step number 2 is take your Ethernet cable, and at your home you will have your internet modem that was given by your internet provider. So in this case, I have my internet modem right here. So we will take this cable and plug one end of this cable to the back of the internet modem. Look for an open port, and mostly typically it will say LAN port. So let's see, behind my internet modem, I see there are a few open ports. I'm going to connect to one of the open LAN ports. Okay, so that's done. Then the other end of the Ethernet cable, we're going to connect it to the Marma Firewall, SafeHome Firewall. And here you will see that there are 5 ports here. And we're going to connect this cable that is coming from the internet modem to the bottom port or the last port on the Marma Firewall. Okay, it will be labeled as WAN port, but basically it's the last port. Okay, so that's step number 2. Step number 1 was powering it on with the power cable. Step number 2 was taking the Ethernet cable, connecting one side of the cable to your internet modem to any open LAN port on the internet modem, and the other end of the Ethernet cable to the last port on the Marma SafeHome Firewall. There you go. Those are the 2 steps, and once you do that, you will see that your Marma Firewall is booting up and the LED is changing colors. Just give it a couple of minutes. It will be blue and orange, and finally it will change to green. If you see the green light, that means your Marma SafeHome Firewall installation is completed.